A shocking indictment of official Ireland. This exercise book contains a list of clients for the Magdalene Laundry that was run by the Sisters of Our Lady of Charity at High Park in Drumcondra.
Ireland has always been a deeply Catholic country and, as a result, for much of its history its politics have tended to lean toward the right, something which is certainly the case when it comes to the treatment of women. I mean, it wasn't until 2018 that abortion was made legal in the country, and part of the reason it had been made illegal in the first place was not only because of the Church's belief in the sanctity of life, but also because of old religious hang-ups about sexual promiscuity outside of marriage. Of course, it was the same attitude towards women being sexually active that led to the development of the Magdalene movement in the mid-18th century. What was the Magdalene movement? Well, it was basically a campaign to put fallen women to work in workhouses, with the ultimate goal being to rehabilitate them and then welcome them back into the world as upstanding citizens after the fact. As to how a fallen woman was defined, well, initially, in keeping with the namesake of the movement, Mary Magdalene, it would mostly refer to sex workers, the group who were considered to be amongst the lowest of the low at the time. It was a time period where any female who stepped outside of the very narrow parameters of what was deemed acceptable was considered to be a major.
I have no memories of it. I was there for 4.5 years.
There was a hedge each side of us and a crowd of us walking. That's the only memory I have.
I thought I was an animal at one stage. I used to get dreams at night that I was growing horns. And when I get up in the morning, the first thing I do, such a sigh of relief.
There was no love, there was no care. What happened in the home? You know, it can happen to you, that you can block things out at such a young age.
I suppose at the back of my mind, it was there in the subconscious, wondering about the children.